we are on the second day of 52nd Dairy Exhibition and Conference organized by Indian Dairy Association, and we are currently at HRS Process System stall. We are having with us Mr. Jitendra Jadhav, Vice President Operations, Food System and Business Unit for HRS. Hello, how are you, Jitendra sir?
Yeah, I'm good.
How is HRS getting traction in on the first 2 days of this conference, sir?
Actually, we are getting very good response. Even yesterday also it was good, and today we can see a better situation compared to yesterday.
So, sir, what type of equipments you are exhibiting in this conference right now?
So actually, we are very big. If you talk about the food processing, now dairy is also one of the area where we have to do a lot of activities, and we can give entirely turnkey solutions in dairy, starting from raw milk, reception, CIP systems, making cheese, yogurt, including paneer. So we can give turnkey solutions. That is what we are exploring now here.
So, India is the largest producer and consumer of milk in the world, but at the same time, India's dairy processing industry is also facing an issue: the wastage of whey water, which is the concentrate water after the cheese or paneer is made from it. So, what type of solution do you provide to the nutraceutical industry for extracting whey proteins?
Yeah. So specifically whey, you can make a lot of different products from whey. Generally people make WPC, they call it the whey protein concentrate. You can make WPC 30, 65, 80, and that is being sold in very high level in the market as on today. Subsequently from whey, because the solids are there, you can convert it to biogas also, sustainability point of view. So there are multiple applications, and we can recover each and every solid from the whey. We are also giving the whey concentrators, where what are the solids are there, you can concentrate and make them the powder out of it.
So, coming on to the next solution which you are having here at USP, the dairy concentrate heater you are exhibiting. So, what is the new innovation which you have in this one, sir?
Yeah, so basically the dairy concentration, whatever you are talking about, it's basically to reduce the microbial load. Because even if you make a powder, it has got some micro issue, then you will not be able to sell the powder.
Yeah.
And we are 100% sure, it is already proven.
Okay.
One of the customer, we are already talking about that, and microbial growth will be completely done, and we will be able to get a very good market out of it.
Okay. So, coming on to the next one, sir, the UST sterilizer with aseptic tank which you have. So, what are the innovations which is different from the other dairy processing suppliers you have, sir?
Yeah. So basically, if you talk about the slurry tank or aseptic tank, it's like an intermediate tank between the sterilizer as well as the filler.
Yeah.
And that really helps, because in the critical situation, people can store the product into the slurry tank.
Yeah. So, so HRS is also providing the cleaning in place solution. So, it is a solution to have a sanitized workplace and sanitized processing unit. So, what type of cleaning in place solutions you are providing to the dairy processing industry?
Yeah, even we can give CIP solutions. It could be single circuit, double circuit. It's a complete automatic CIP station, and we ensure 100% cleanability of the equipment. We are given to the many applications. Even it can be pre-processing, it can be a cheese, it can be a finished product. We can do a CIP for entire sections.
What type of solutions you are providing to the feta cheese and cheese processing industry right now, sir?
We can support for the, as I said before, the turnkey solutions. We can, starting from the raw milk up to the finished product, up to the packaging, we can support the customers.
For the cheese also and for feta cheese also?
Absolutely right.
So, coming on to the sustainability part, sir, reducing the carbon footprint has been a big goal, the sustainable development
Yes.
goal, and it's adopted across the food processing industry.
Yes.
So, how HRS is cutting carbon footprint in its processing lines?
So there are 2-3 areas, specifically if you talk about the water, that is equally important, right, as a sustainable point of view. So we do a lot of water recycling, because we heat what you are trying to utilize, and it does not go as a part of the wastewater treatment plant. We recover it and reuse in the system. As a quantity point of view also, and steam point of view also, both areas.
So, post 2014, India's food processing industry is growing with a massive CAGR, and there are a lot of government initiatives which are helping the food processors. So, do you see the government initiatives helping you to export your machines and helping the food processors to equip their processing plant in a better way?
Sure. Actually, we can see a lot of big development. Specifically, I can talk about last 4 to 5 years, the big development happening. both sides. So I think farmers also getting a good amount, maybe at least the revenue for their raw milk. On the top of that, government is giving the subsidies also, so to set up the plants. So it is also boosting the confidence. I think it is giving a good market. I can see a growth rate specifically for the value-added products in the tune of 8% to 10%.
So thank you, sir. Thank you very much for this candid interview. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.